Alright, I'm gonna make some brackets to fit the front axle on the custom frame. This is wider than the frame is, so therefore I have to make a new bracket so I can bolt it in these original holes, weld the bracket on the frame. So therefore I have this piece of old iron, and I thought I will make that fit and cut it with my plasma cutter. Just weld it on the frame and yeah, take it from there. I got some lines. Gonna go out and cut it and see where we are.
For each other like a bullet from a gun, faster than the sheriff's drawing, hotter than the sun. Didn't see it coming lately, I've been on the run. You know you've seen my face before, so let me tell you something. Darling, you fell in love with the famous man. See my pictures posted everywhere across the land. And if you run with me, you got to understand that you're holding on to a dangerous hand. If I want it, would you still want me? 'Cause babe, I want it. Do you still want me? I got a bag of money, honey, and it don't belong to me. Took it from a man that had it coming, so you know it wasn't free. We'll load this Smith and Wesson up and take our horses east. And if we run into any trouble, we'll leave them in the crimson streets. Darling, you fell in love with the famous man. See my pictures posted everywhere across the land. And if you run with me, you got to understand that you're holding on.
Alright, before I disassemble the whole thing, I'll just show you that these consoles for the front axle is where I want them, and just weld it so they will stay where they should be. It will have an extension from here through around here, and box it on both sides, and the same in the back to around here, and a top piece across the whole thing. Then it should be a very strong construction. Now I'm gonna disassemble these two liners and take these and show you how to, or where I want them in the frame. So that's what I want to do now. Originally I would have done some parts for this console thing, but yeah, this is actually the top piece. But yeah, it's too dark outside to see anything with the plasma cutter, and yeah, I'll take that tomorrow. So now I have the front axle here. It is actually ready to be finished welded. I will do that, and the frame construction as well.
What could we see from the highest height? What good are wings if I'm afraid to fly? All of the tremors that I have inside got me scared. Will you be there? If we're the last to learn that we crash and burn, and we'll never make it. If the smoke don't clear, could we face our fear that we never make it? Is it a chance we're taking?
So back to the framework. I'll now place this where I want it and get it welded. And after that, I'm gonna put a bottom piece and a top piece on it. So we got a nice stiff structure. I made all the different parts for the frame structure here. You see, it's to make this a strong construction. I weld this under and over on each side, and then I got a stiff construction.
Could we face our fear that we never make it? Is it a chance we're taking? 'Cause I just can't lose you. We're the last to learn that we crash and burn, and we'll never make it. If the smoke don't clear, could we face our fear that we never make it? Is it a chance we're taking?